So let me show y'all about this exhaust right here that's made. So what happened is we got a 35.5 angle right here. They come to an octagon, and then they go up to a vertical, and then they come out horizontally, and then it come out double. Then it's split into a quadre. That's two. Then
let's hear it, D-Mike.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Okay. Yeah, cash shit still louder.
That's what I said.
The old cash stuff was louder. That was deeper still. It's loud, but I still don't think it's SLG loud, or I don't think it's Yosemite loud, like when they blow out the package.
It's the GoPro got better. D-Mike saying every time he come out the hole, he went,
Go throw the spark plug out.
I'm gonna blow shit up today.